Hey everyone, you're tuning to Anthony Knows. No judgment, your story matters. Today I want to share a letter from one of our brave listeners who wrote, I have been trying to have a baby for years with fertility treatments. After one more cycle, I lost the pregnancy. I feel like I failed. And I met my limit mentally. I'm exhausted and don't know how to go on. If you're sitting there nodding your head, no, you are not alone. And this hour is for you. First, let me say you are human, and grief is part of your journey. Modern psychology tells us that loss, especially the loss of a hoped-for future, can feel like confronting a storm with no umbrella. You weather treatment after treatment, only to be hit again. That pain is valid. It deserves space. Here's the first life hack. Practice a self-compassion break. Find a quiet moment. Place your hand over your heart and say to yourself, this is hard right now. I'm suffering. May I be kind to myself. Research by Dr. Christine Neff shows that naming your pain while offering kindness actually lowers stress hormones. It's a small pause that reminds your brain you're on your side. Next, let's talk about grounding. When your mind spins with what ifs, bring yourself back to right now. Look around and find one thing you can see, one thing you can feel, one thing you can hear. Maybe it's the warmth of your sweater, a bird outside the window, or the taste of your morning tea. These small anchors prove that the present moment still holds beauty, even in hard times. You might be thinking, but Anthony, how do I rebuild hope? Try a gratitude ritual with a twist. Each night, write down 3 tiny wins. It could be, I took a 5-minute walk, I called a friend, or I cried and that felt real. These wins don't need to be huge. They are proof you keep moving forward. Let's be honest, sometimes you need a little tough love. Your body isn't the enemy, it's been through a marathon. Treat it with respect, gentle movement, stretching, a slow yoga class or a short walk can release endorphins and remind you of your strength. If you need to cry, if you need to laugh at a silly comedy, both release tension. Connection matters. You might feel alone in this, but there are online communities, support groups, even local meetups for people traveling the same path. Sharing your story can lift a corner of the weight off your shoulders. Sometimes the simple act of saying out loud, I am afraid, changes the story. Finally, remember, seeking professional support is not a weakness, it's a smart step. A counselor or therapist trained in fertility loss can give you tools tailored to your needs. Many offer sliding scale rate or virtual sessions for convenience. To our listener and anyone out there holding this pain, you are worthy of hope, rest, and kindness. This chapter feels heavy, but it is not the end of your story. Small steps, honest moments, and gentle routines will guide you through. You've shown courage by sharing your struggle. Keep going, one breath, one day, one moment of self-compassion at a time. You matter, your story matters. Stay tuned, stay strong, and remember, Anthony knows that only you write the next page.